Whether you're a beginner or have been at it for a little while, everyone wants to level up their skills when it comes to acrylic painting. These helpful tips will help you quickly advance your skills as a painter. Use these shortcuts to level up your skills quickly. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Subscribe to this channel for even more helpful painting videos and hit the bell icon to be notified of our newest content. The first tip is to sketch before you paint. It helps to draw out your idea before you put it on the canvas in many instances. Sketching is done most simply by a pencil on canvas. However, you can mix a little water into a lighter color paint, such as yellow, and sketch out your idea with a smaller paintbrush. This simple step will improve your chances of creating a balanced and well-composed image. In addition, it will help you understand if you've placed the subject matter of your painting in the right spot at the correct size. Our second helpful tip is to use carbon transfer paper. If painting a new advanced subject, use tracing paper. This paper will help you easily transfer imagery from a drawing or printed photo onto your canvas. If you are interested in learning how to use carbon tracing paper, check out our tutorial by clicking the card in the upper corner of this video. We'll also place a link in the description below. This video will teach you 2 ways to transfer a drawing to the canvas, making realistic painting much more manageable. Our third tip is to garner critique from peers. Everyone, from beginners to advanced, can benefit from a constructive review. Asking others to look at your art will give you insight from fresh eyes, whether it's from a local artist group or online. In the age of the internet and online communities, critique no longer needs to take place in person. Look for online communities of artists, join up, and share your art. It's good to remember that truth and positivity should balance constructive criticism. Remember that not everyone is appropriate to critique. It helps to find a fellow painter or artist to help you on your journey. Their insights will be more informed than those who do not paint. Our fourth tip is to measure often. When creating a composition, scale and proportion will influence your success of the result. If you're wondering what these terms mean to painters, click the card in the upper corner of this video to see a quick tutorial defining this terminology. The act of measuring while you sketch and during the painting process will serve you repeatedly. When it comes to painting, it helps immensely to make a list and check it twice. Be sure to consider the following: the angles of an object in relation to each other, proportions depending on the subject, highlights and lowlights offering good contrast, and any other details that you care about. Write them down and analyze each thing. We hope these shortcuts to improving your painting will serve you well. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something helpful today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We can help you learn to paint and improve your skills. Begin your acrylic painting journey today by visiting acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides. See you next time.